Welcome back to Biznistry TV.
Good morning to you wherever you're at, whether you're in Atlanta,
Biznistry.
LA, Greenville, South Carolina, Mississippi,
Boop.
Illinois,
Biznistry TV.
Ohio, North Carolina, South
We're going to kick off in just a second. I got a couple things to share with you.
We are GBC Worldwide.
If you're watching, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like and share this video. Help us to move this thing around.
On fingers. But God got it. Don't never forget. Just because y'all turn your backs on me, doesn't mean that the good Lord gonna turn his back on me. I appreciate y'all, man. This one for you.
It ain't over. Big man upstairs. It ain't over. It ain't over. John Arnold. Snappy True Snap. Music by John Arnold. It ain't over. Official GBC theme music. We do own the rights to this music. Thankful for them blessings. Older. Shoulder. Closer. Change. Welcome to GBC, Disciple Unity, Business and Ministry. Business is ministry. That's where you get Biznistry. Thank you so much for joining. For those of you who are watching, don't forget to go ahead and like and share this for me. I sure would appreciate that. A couple things I want to share this week. A couple things I just want to share very quickly. Thank you so much for joining Biznistry TV. If you want to find more information on any of the things we're talking about, go to www.genobradley.com. You can see it streaming across the bottom of the screen, genobradley.com. Don't forget to like and share. All right, so we got a couple of events this week. I want to make sure that I put out there. Every Wednesday, we'll have our Bible study and prayer, Disciple Unity Worldwide Ministries. We're online. We do Zoom plus live, which means you can join into our Zoom session if you want to be able to comment and turn your camera on and be a part and be a part of the actual process. But you can also, if you just want to watch and just use your text comments, you can just watch live from Facebook. Okay, so every Wednesday, you have the opportunity. It's public. It's live. Join our online ministry community, Disciple Unity Worldwide Ministries. If you know anybody that needs a prayer, you know anybody that needs a hand, you know somebody that would like to have an opportunity to either be able to get more opportunities to pray and to read the word and learn the word, then go ahead and let them know. Wednesdays, 8:45 p.m. All right, so that's number one. Every week on Wednesday, we've been doing this strong since September 12th, 2018. Okay, and we thank God for that. We definitely thank God for the opportunity to pray and to read that word, to read his word. That's the business side of Biznistry. Let's go. That was the ministry side of Biznistry. Now let's take a look at the business side. 10 steps to an effective business plan. We've been running that all month in June. We ran one in May and we did 2 already in June. So we're going to go ahead and run that back one more time. If anybody missed the opportunity to see, it takes 1 hour. It's from 3 to 4 p.m. We're doing the 10 steps to an effective business plan. So you may want to share that with somebody because you may know somebody that's trying to get their business plan together. Somebody that has a business together, but they started that business without a business plan. A business plan can actually help you to improve that business, do explosive growth, do refounding to get it to the next level. It's a super easy process. It's a lot of fun. So that is Saturday, June 20th. So we covered the ministry part, Bible study and prayer on Wednesday nights. The business side, we're doing 10 steps to an effective business plan on Saturday, 3 p.m. So Wednesday night, 8:45 p.m. And we are doing the 10 steps to an effective business plan on Saturday, June 20th at 3:00 p.m. Okay. So in news, the latest news, we've been seeing everybody seeing a lot of stuff going on with Black Lives Matter. And I just want to say to all the people that's out there protesting peacefully, I just want to say, regardless of all the flack that you guys get out there on TV, I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of you as a brother, father, cousin, as a minister, as a prayer warrior, as a coworker, as a service provider who gets a chance to serve your families. I am so proud of you. Do everything that you can to follow the law and do what you can to keep bringing about change. But I am so proud of you. All of the churches that have gotten involved and gone down there, I'm so proud of you. I just want to give you a big shout out. So like and share this video so that the ministries out there can hear this. We covered the events this week. All right, our building block, our learning building block for this session is called Prepare. It's called Prepare. And whether you know it or not, I just want to leave you a small learning block. We talked about our events block for the week. That's our events block. We do building blocks at GBC and in Biznistry. We did our events block. We did our business block. We did our ministry block. Now we're going to do the learning block, Prepare. Whether you know it or not, I want you guys to know, if you're watching this right now live, or even if you're watching the replay, drop Prepare in the comments. Even if you're watching the replay later, I want you to drop Prepare, Prepare. Drop the word Prepare, because words have power. Your affirmations have power. There's power in power of life and death in the tongue, and the things that you write and the things that you say. The Bible says to write the vision and make it plain. And I ain't gonna preach to you today, but this is Biznistry. Business is ministry. Ministry is our business. We do them all together, and we put God at the center of everything. Let's talk about preparation. Prepare. Whether you know it or not, whatever situation you had during COVID-19, it was all set up from before COVID-19. The life you're living during COVID-19 is based on the preparations that you made before COVID-19. Okay? The life you're living during COVID-19 is based on the preparations that you made before COVID-19. Because once you're in the thick of it, it's hard to make changes. Just know that you do have another opportunity, because the life that you live outside of COVID-19, after COVID-19, it will all be the result of what you do during the COVID-19 quarantine. So I'm going to say that again, the life that you have after the quarantine is over will be as a result of the preparations that you make now during the quarantine. So the life you live during the quarantine comes from before. So you're always living with the results. There's always a little bit of a delay. There's always just a slight delay. So I want you guys to remember the importance of preparation. That's our learning block for today. So don't forget to go ahead and like and share this thing. If you want to do coffee and tea with Geno, come on, do coffee and tea with Geno. We can do live one-on-one. We can do a one-on-one in private, or we can do a group session. If you need me to show up to your group, you need some help with your business, I do free consults. You can do a free 15-minute consult, and I can probably give you a few pointers for free that might help you to get your nonprofit, your business, or your ministry off the ground to the next level. So let's have a cup of coffee. And if you don't like coffee, let's have a cup of tea, and let's do a quick video call. 15 minutes, never hurt anybody. So go ahead and let me know, inbox me if you want to, and we will go ahead and get together so we can do our coffee and our tea with Geno, okay? So once again, don't forget to like and share this video. We need your help to make this go around the world. Remember, if you want more information, you can get all the information about all of our business and our ministry and all the events that we have at www.genobradley.com. So just remember, business is ministry. So you want to know about our company, the website is gbctaxpros.com, and I'll drop all the links right in here. So as we close, I'd just like to send a big shout out to all the GBC Tax Pros out there, all of my business partners. If you want to learn more about becoming a GBC Tax Pro, just inbox me or type info in this thing, and I'll let you know what you got to do. I'll shoot you a quick video. I'll drop it in the comments. So big shout out to all the GBC Tax Pros out there. Big shout out to all of the members of Disciple Unity Worldwide Ministries that are participating in our weekly Bible study and prayer. I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your week to honor God with the reading of his word and prayer unto God. So big shout out to them and our Facebook group. Big shout out to the GBC Wealth Builders, the Wealth Builders, Kingdom Entrepreneurs Facebook group. If you're not a part of it, go ahead and become a part of it. Hey, remember, like my wife and I always say, we got no heaven, no hell, no jail to put you in. Hey, we ain't trying to do nothing but just bless you. We just want to give you love, peace, and blessing. So peace. Until I catch you on the other side, I'll be waiting and looking forward to hearing from some of you guys that are ready to do coffee and tea with Geno.